Medicare and Medicaid fraud. There's been a lot of talk about that this year due to the Trump administration and Elon Musk. But let me just tell you this. In 2023, there were more than 800 providers charged criminally in federal and or state system. Over $1.2 billion were actually recovered. So what is Medicare or Medicaid fraud? Well, when I've seen it representing a provider, what they do is generally provide mental health services for people. And what is occurring has been overbilling. They provide service A, and they say they did it 3 times when they only did it once. And it all adds up to millions of dollars, if not billions of dollars. So my suggestion is, why don't we audit these books with a team of people and catch these people out of the gate instead of hurting people that really need Medicaid and Medicare benefits. Having talked to a few prosecutors and having represented a few people in this world, what happens also is a company sets up a business and they don't provide any service. It's a total fraud. It's a total fabrication. And they just start billing the government, and for whatever reason, the checks and balances are not in place, and they start receiving checks for these people. Also, what happens is, in that situation, somebody gets my name, my social security number, my date of birth, and they start billing. And I get a letter saying, hey, you had these services done in New York or South Carolina. And I call up Medicare or Medicaid, and I say, hey, I live in Vegas, and I never received any services. So it's a big scam, and when you get hacked and you hear about your identity being stolen, this is some of the things that could occur. Medicaid, Medicare, fraud. It's everywhere.